Hey guys, I forgot to film an intro for this video, but today I'm making vegan brownies. First I set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then here's a shot of all the ingredients I used. Second, I wash my hands, which is something you should always do before making food. If you're not vegan, you may not know that ground flaxseed is a good egg replacer. I add 4 tablespoons of ground flaxseed in a cup of water. And then I stirred that boy together. Then I let him meditate while I worked on the other ingredients. To replace my butter, I microwaved some coconut oil. Then I poured my coconut oil into a bowl full of sugar. Now I'm gonna mix it together. No, ew, what is that? Oh my goodness, So anyways, I mixed together the coconut oil and the sugar. Look at me stirring that thing. I'm going hard, bruh. So now after waiting a while, the flaxseed should look kind of egg-like, and now you pour that in. Bruh, that looks so gross. Now here's a clip of me struggling to open up the vanilla extract. I'm really struggling. Okay, wait. I think. Oh yeah, I got it open. And of course you sniff it. Now you pour that boy into the other stuff. And now you mix it together. Bro, what was I even doing? That's not even in frame, bro. Again, I'm going really hard. Look at me go. I'm a champ, bro. My arm should be big. Off camera, I had a mixture of flour, baking powder, and baking cocoa. And you mix that all together. Again, what was I trying to do? I was not even in the frame. So now I'm just mixing that boy together. I didn't go as hard as the other ones, though. Then I mixed the 2 bowls together. And it looked like that. Now I add my chocolate chips in. Didn't follow the recipe for that part. Now I almost burned my finger trying to put it into the oven. That was just embarrassing. Let's not talk about that. Then I yell at my dad even though he's not even in the shot.
You're gonna ruin the shot.
So yeah, that's basically the recipe. I'll have the link in the description if you want to try it. I thought it turned out pretty good. Everyone in my family liked it. I should know because they ate it all. So yeah, this proves that vegan food is not all bad. It can taste really good. Even if you're not vegan, you can still enjoy it. So you may as well try it. Thank you for watching this video. It was fun making. It was really stressful editing. Like it and I guess subscribe, I guess. I don't know. I hope you liked it.